Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So you see nice gap up through our levels today. Let me go down 1 hour chart, gapping up just above the 4116 area, coming back down, testing our key level, and then moving back up. Got a lot of emails. Could we have predicted this? Well, this was based off news of them signing a contract for delivery of garbage trucks. So no, you can't predict the news. Only thing we had was this. We had a double bottom and a divergence here. So I mean, the double bottom wouldn't have helped you much because the target was reached before this gap up. That's about it. You know, we're watching for the prices to test the other side of the rotation zone. Sometimes they gap through, so then asked another question, well, how do you play this? Well, we dropped down. Let me show you the short-term charts. So you have here the gap, return to the 5-minute rotation zone. See here, little fake up rotation, but you still, if you kept your stop below the rotation zone, you were never stopped out. Moving up, you also watching it on the 15. This is if you're aggressive. Watching on the 15, see drifting sideways with the 8 coming up, then 8 pushing the price, which you've talked about many times, which gave you areas to look for, then doing little price projections, and you can watch for other key areas to do GAN projections all the way up. Right now, let's go out to the 1 hour. So, and let me move up all these levels to the pausing bar. And remember, we talked about on the last video, let me jump out to the daily again, that if we started getting above this key level and the daily rotation zone, we're going to watch for the potential gap fill, which is what you can do. Also, you can look at the daily chart for key closes and lows. So I would have watched this key open, and this key low for potential targets intraday, also in lining up GAN levels with those kind of targets. So that's how you play something like that intraday. 1 hour overbought areas I'm going to be watching. We've updated the retracement levels, so about 43.64 first level, then 42.67, then I'm being paying about 41.56. I'm watching for support to come in at those levels. We're really overextended from the 4-hour rotation zone, so I'm having to drop to the 1 hour to watch that area. I don't expect it to drop all the way back down to 39.48. I'd be watching if it did pull back harder, then this 40.10 would be key, because that's the significant area that was a resistance area, now turning into support. So that's really about it. Higher levels now, we're watching 47.80. We have a cluster there, so a prior harmonic retracement level, now the harmonic projection level. So 47.80, then 49.90, so 50 bucks. But remember, you still have the gap fill, and a lot of people put their orders just in front of a gap fill. For that gap fill, it is to 48.84. So 48.84, 48.89, keep those prices in mind should it continue to rally tomorrow. So we have for you on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.